Okay, working on my Backdraft Cobra seats. So anyone who's played around with Backdraft Cobras, the older Backdraft seats are pretty narrow. So the seats are apparently about 13 inches wide, is what they say. I was able to actually heat up the seat and get her to move about an inch because it's epoxy resin that the seat is made from. Epoxy resin will move with heat. Polyester resin, fiberglass will just crack. So it'll tell easily as if you heat it up with a heat gun and you touch the fiberglass will become sticky again a little bit. And that's one of the easiest ways to tell. Epoxy resin is very common for boat repairs. When you're doing repairs on Vipers or on Corvettes, when you're using RTM fiberglass, you're supposed to use an epoxy resin according to procedure. So wasn't enough though for my big butt, so I have to cut it. I made a little tool for spreading it, so I'm gonna fiberglass it up, spread it, see if we can get this thing another 1.5 inches wider, and we'll put the skin back on and try that out. So stay tuned and like and subscribe. That encourages me to put out more content for people, and people seem to always ask me questions about stuff, so I try to answer things as I come along for different projects that I do. And yeah, just always stay busy and keep working and keep pushing on projects is what I say.